Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. Basically how strong your watch vibrates when you get some kind of notification or alarm. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through this menu by using the lower or upper button. Now, select the option called Settings. It should say Settings right here at the bottom. By default, when you open the menu, it should be the first thing selected. Then press the middle button to enter the settings. In Settings, again, use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through the menu. Find the option called Vibration, this one. And as you can see, it's set to strong. And to change it, simply press the middle button to change it to medium. And if you want to change it to strong again, simply press the middle button again. Basically, you can cycle between the levels of the vibration by pressing the middle button. And once you're done, you can press the upper button a couple of times until you select the home icon, and then press the middle button to go back to home screen. And that's how you change the level of vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.